Hey Hunnies, it's Ems. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back. In today's video, you're going to be getting ready with me. I am going to be transforming into Cruella de Vil, and this is going to be a very fun tutorial. As you can see, I have this black and white long wavy wig that I ordered from Amazon, and I will have everything in this video pretty much linked below, so check that out. Just taking my time detangling this unit because it is synthetic, but as you see, it's cute. This is a T-part wig, so there's only lace where the part is. I really couldn't do any baby hairs, but I felt like it would need a little bit. But first, I am going to make the part wider, so you're going to see that I'm parting the wig, and then I'm going to pull hair out because it's too much hair in the part and you can't see any part at all. One thing I noticed is that, of course, the white hair kept on tangling, so this is an issue with this wig. But, you know, for the sake of it, it's just Halloween, so it's okay to have a few little tangles or whatnot in your wig because I'm not going to style this how I would normally style my synthetic units. So I was going back and forth with this makeup look. I was like, what do I want to do? Do I want to look more scary? Do I want to look more, like, cute? Just like a... just pretty look, sexy, and I'm thinking I'm going with sexy. I don't think I'm going to do a really scary look this year. So first I'm using the Good Molecules Priming Moisturizer. Just 2 pumps. Brows are going to be first, and I'm just going to brush them out. So in that picture, I noticed that her brows were more of just regular brown, and I'm thinking I may go for maybe a brow that's kind of like a brownish black. I think I'm going to use some black eyeshadow to make my brows darker because I don't have a brown black brow pencil. So I may make my brows a little bit longer. Let's see. It's a little bit more dramatic. Yeah, it gets pretty dark, but it's still, yeah, it's like I'm gonna add just a little bit of black for a more fierce look, especially since the hair I'm wearing is black and white. I want my brows to look more, a little bit darker, more black. See if they're even. It's definitely longer because I'm noticing. Okay, let's do that. Alright, now to add some black. And I'm actually using my favorite palette right here, the James Charles palette. So I'm actually going to be using this black right here to fill in my brows. Even better. Oh yeah, that's dark. That's dramatic. Okay. I'm gonna use some concealer and clean this brow up. I see the issue now. Definitely made this right brow too short. So I'm using the MAC NC30 to clean the brows up. I'm just using this brush to blend it in. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my eye primer from Urban Decay because I'm going to be adding green eyeshadow and I want it to be as vibrant as possible because some of the green eyeshadows that I have are not the best showing up. Like I have to really build them. So this here, when I use this, I feel like it is so helpful. So I'm still back and forth between this green. I guess, okay, let's see which green we like the best. So I have this, the hunter green I was talking about. This is the lime green, or like a light green. And then this is the metallic green. So I'm actually thinking about combining the lighter green with the metallic green. I feel like that's gonna be such a pop of color. I start with the light green first on the lid. See how it's always looking, it's already looking vibrant. That's why I love that Urban Decay. It works so well. So funny to think that I'm gonna be wearing this really light green eyeshadow and then I have the audacity to put on red lipstick. Halloween is so much fun. I'm gonna use the metallic green on top. I don't see much of a difference right now. Let's see. It's a little something. I just spray some of my Bad Habit hydrating mist and then I'm gonna dab it in the metallic and see if it makes it look a little bit, yes, a little bit better. Yeah, that's it right there. I'm seeing a difference. There was a big difference. I like it because the light green lightens up the metallic green because the metallic green was so much darker. You can see the difference between these eyes already. You see that? And that's just spraying just a little bit of the hydrating mist, or either you can use a setting spray. So here's my new palette and I'm super excited about it. This is the, what did they say, 35XS No Silent Nights. I'm gonna use my blending brush and I'm going to use this hot spot color. Oh, wow. Guys, I just realized they had all the colors of the shadows named. And so this is called the hot spot. I like that. Chandelier beams. It seems like it'll be a nice little highlight. It's not too light. Let's see. I was saying that I was just going to use this chandelier beams, but I'm also going to use all this bright right here on my brow bone because I noticed that the chandelier beams started to add a little bit more darkness, and when I kept looking at it set in, I was like, For this look, I wanted it to be more bold and dramatic with the brow. So I'm going to use some All Is Bright too to lighten it back up. I'm going to conceal some of my dark spots. I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer. Get the inner area right here, close to the inner eye. Right there on the edges of my nose. I used to have a red spot corrector and I'm gonna be honest with you, sometimes I feel like the spot corrector wasn't blending well with my makeup. And I'm gonna add my foundation, my Airbrush Flawless shade 8. And I'm going to do 2 coats. I maybe do 3 coats because I want this to look more pale. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of a paleness just because the character has that pale look. I just thought about how fun it is to take Halloween pictures. Like, you just get to be character, you get to be anyone but yourself. All right, now we're gonna use Born This Way again. And I forgot to tell you guys, this is the shade Tan Sand. This is a Cover FX, and I love using this first shade. As you can see, I've had this for years. I just be dabbling in it all the time, and I don't think they even sell it anymore. I haven't been able to find it, but you can use a concealer of your choice and still brighten up even more underneath the eye. I'm gonna use the Espresso to really line right there on my cheeks, give me some definition. Got a lot of blending to do after I done used so much of this. And some blush, and I'm using Tarte's blush. This is Blissful. Now I want to use my favorite Grwm Fenty Beauty. Also Espresso, of course, Fenty Beauty. Love these for highlights. I've been using these for highlights for so long. I don't know how I can go anywhere else. So I'm going back with my Cover FX palette, and I'm going to define my nose just a little bit with the brown, just a tiny bit. Okay, so next I am actually going to do the wing eyeliner. I am not the best at doing wings. I don't do wings all that great. Velour. And it is black liner and a lash adhesive. I'm gonna break it in two sections here. So it's kind of tough to do. It's kind of tough to kind of do the wing liner with this because it is glue. But once it dries, it's dry. So I'm just gonna use it anyway and bring it up. Yeah, bring it up to about there. And I'm not going to go back over the wing anymore. Just going to leave it alone and let it dry because of course it's a little bit sticky since I'm using this to do it. I'm not going to do a really dramatic wing because where is my mascara? Okay, so I have this MAC Magic Extension Mascara. Now that my lips are all wiped off, I'm going to use my MAC. Is this like Ruby? Yeah, my MAC Ruby Woo. I'm going to line my lips. Go ahead and do my first round of hydrating mist. Kind of sets my makeup a little bit, but also sets this, it sets this lip liner. Now the fun part, I am adding my red lipstick, and this is Lasting Passion 315 MAC. So it's a really vibrant, bright red. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, spray until my face is wet. I'm happy. I feel like it all came together, and I'm going to now style the wig. Okay, I want to wear this. I'm going to scoot my wig cap back, and I actually want to wear this as a side part. I did something different with the part, like since I didn't have much space to work with. This is actually a T-part wig. It's just not going to be a really natural looking wig, and it's Halloween, so who really cares? But I may lay a few of those baby hairs just because it'll keep, I'll use my gel foam, and it'll keep the hair better in place. I clip this hair back so I can avoid getting more makeup on it. It's just like I can't even get the, it's turning brown for my makeup. So I did the best that I could do, but of course there is still makeup on the baby hairs. But moving forward, I'm actually gonna take this here. Try to, I got my Fit Me powder 310. That's cute. I like that. I love. Oh yeah, this is it. I paired some suede knee-high boots. As you can see, I have on some brown colored stockings with the fishnets on top. And here is our finished look. So you cannot tell me this is not giving sexy Cruella de Vil. Also, this outfit is from Amazon, linked below. Thanks for watching.